Holy shit. You're coming home with me. $70 and it works better than my $500 vacuum. This speaks for itself. Seriously, check this out. Another cool feature, see this little blue button? Every parent knows what that means. Come here, kids, time to go to work. I totally get the hype now. What? You guys can see there's a power button right here. You hit it once for a lower speed and twice for a higher speed. That's the low speed. That's the high. And one more shuts it off. It is awesome. To empty it, so easy. It's just a one-click button. It comes with an extra filter. It comes with 2 attachments and a clip that you can just clip right on the side. This is the battery life. There's a reason this $70 cordless vacuum is going viral, baby.